how you doing? It's Kevin Long at Empire Restaurant in Boston. I'm the executive chef with Big Night Entertainment Group. We own several Asian restaurants, so what I'm going to do here is a recipe with stir-fried rice in a coconut milk and shrimp sauce. This one's a little tricky because when you're working with coconut milk, it really requires a lot of balance. Coconut milk is you start off with an unsweetened coconut milk. Sweetened coconut milk is the stuff that you'd maybe make like frozen drinks with. This is the stuff that you would cook with. You see it a lot in Thai cuisine and different things. And when I talk about balance, I'm really trying to balance really the kind of the richness of the coconut milk. When you're doing a dish like this, there is no cream or butter or anything like that. Your richness is really in this really, really intense coconut milk. So coconut milk is generally it's a canned product. When you get it, you want to open the can, you want to mix it up, and then we're going to kind of balance that natural sweetness of the coconut milk and that sugar that we've added with some minced Thai chili. These are the really, really hot chilies that are super, super intense and really hot. So those are minced very small. Those are going to kind of meld into the sauce. I'm going to put some lime juice in. This you can kind of go a little bit heavy, very intense fermented fish sauce. So what we really kind of have here is our base for our stir-fried rice and shrimp with super spicy chilies, a little bit of sugar, kind of walking that line, kind of sweet and savory, balanced out with that really intense lime juice and fish sauce. So we'll set this aside, and then we're going to do a quick stir-fry with some shrimp. These are a Gulf white shrimp. We're going to stir-fry these in a little bit of oil and a little pinch of salt. And then we're going to add our coconut milk sauce onto them, let the whole thing come up, and then we're just going to put in a little bit of boiled or steamed jasmine rice. And the whole thing is going to be a very, very fun, kind of rich, creamy dish. Actually, without a lot of fat, you get the really kind of different richness from the coconut milk. So, all right. So here at Empire today, this is our stir-fried rice with coconut milk and shrimp. Put a little cilantro on top. It's ready to go.